Don't buy a new construction townhome until you see this.
Yes, come take a look inside.
Upon entering the home, you step into a spacious lower level family room featuring luxury wood laminate flooring, a half bath, and another great feature is this mudroom right off your 2.5 car garage. This is just a great feature to have if you're entering the home with wet shoes or wet bags and other things. One level up is the main living space, and you'll simply be wowed when you step into this area by the open floor plan, the oversized extended kitchen island and breakfast bar with granite countertops. There's the dining area, and right off of the dining area is an oversized pantry, which is just a great feature to have. Then there's a half bath. Now let's turn around and step out onto this deck. This deck offers a great view of the neighborhood. It's constructed of composite material, which cuts down on any maintenance issues such as painting or staining. Stepping back into the unit, you can get a greater sense of just how open this floor plan is. All the appliances are Frigidaire gallery grade appliances. And now we're entering into the living area. And I'm gonna give you a view from the living area of just how open the space is. This is just a great floor plan for family functions, celebrating the holidays. Now let's take a run upstairs. On the 3rd level, you'll find the bedrooms. You have a main hallway bath, and you can see that the secondary bedrooms are very spacious. Here's one and here's the other. Again, amply sized bedrooms. Here's the main hallway bath. Very well appointed. What I thought was a grand feature was the width of the hallway, extra wide, and you have a 3rd level laundry room, which is very convenient that you don't have to take your clothes all the way downstairs. Then you enter these double doors into the primary bedroom and take a look at this space. It is a great sized bedroom. You enter into the primary bath, separate shower, double vanity, very well appointed. And let's take a look at the closet here. This closet, most women would love it because you have a window for natural light when you're picking out your outfits. Well, there you have it. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome. Contact the KJAX Group for more information.